chapters, please keep your luggage with you. And we don't want to put your luggage if you're going to fly with onto the bus. So if you were down,
there will be no incident on your way home. We all will arrive safely at home, and next year will be more than this, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Takbir! All I just want to tell you is every day in life is an experience. It's a long journey with all embark now. And alhamdulillah today for the 2014 platform in Los Angeles. And we are thankful for having all of you, and by the way, all you kids, I'm proud of you. Did you proud of being a Muslim? Thank you. And we're all going to meet inshallah next year. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On behalf of the Nigerian Muslim Association of Southern California, the National Council of Nigerian Muslim Organization USA, starting with the Board of Trustees, the Shura Council, the executives, I express our gratitude and appreciation to everyone that attended this year's program. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all of us beyond our expectations. I don't know this. The whole city for next year. The whole city for next year. Yeah, they made that announcement. Enemy of Southern California. Our 2014 host. Enemy of Southern California. Light of Islam, Chicago. Dawa loju padura wasa, dawa loju banga, la la la. Ashu. Okay, we have ice cream. Nigerian Muslim Council of USA, Brentwood, Maryland. Nasfat Houston. You started to? Allah Akbar. Takbir. I'm starting Houston. Again, no more. I started Dini. I started Dini. I started Dini. If you want to be there, be there. I don't know how to. Houston is the basketball champion for this year. Y'all ready? Here we go. One.
But when you talk about the future of our children, there's nothing compared to that. And was part of the planners of the beginners in 2000 when we began this program, and you will see the results that is coming out of it year in, year out. So the only thing you can do is to continue to contribute your own quota. I will make any sacrifice for me to be in this part of program. I would do anything visible to be part of here. So, and because each year I feel passionate about it, people are learning, people are improving. I've seen sisters, young sisters who were part of this program. They were not covering their hair here. They were not doing the hijab. They came back to their families, and they said they come back to the community and they say, you know what, I want to do hijab. So what a blessing is that. And we have people who came back from Platrorm who said, you know what, I want to learn the Quran because I've seen Hufaz, I've seen youngsters reading the Quran, leading the prayer. It means I can do that. We have avenues for people to be able to mingle, even young and adults and all of us. We do everything in love. And even with the spirit of Islam that is getting into us, over and over here, we don't have any incidents. People gather, youngsters. There is nowhere in this United States of America that you have young children gather here for 5 days under the same roof in this kind of condition that we don't have issues. And alhamdulillah, over the years, our children has been responsible. They have been very well behaved and well mannered. And that means we're breeding the future of leaders who will be positive contributors to the community. So this is my passion, this is my love, and alhamdulillah that I'm part of it, and I'll continue to do my best, inshallah, as long as I breathe.